Just as Zayne is caught and about to be executed by his own master, an explosion rocks the building they are in. Suddenly, a figure in a red spacesuit drops into their midst, just like the one from their dark visions. They immediately think that it's the Sith Lord, but we realize that it's just Jeriel wielding Zayne's lightsaber and coming to rescue him. Jeriel grabs him and they fly out of there as the Masters scramble from surprise. Zayne asks why they've come back and Jeriel teases that they couldn't let him get away thinking he was actually making a smart decision. Lucian comes out to confront Zayne as he's about to fly away, telling Zayne that he may have been the danger they foretold all along. Zayne admits that he's going to be a danger to them now. He meets back up with Griff and the gang and they manage to escape. 3 weeks later, Zayne sends a holo message to the Masters looking badass, telling them to confess their crimes or else watch their backs.